Somebody's car alarm. I think this whole truck radar here needs to have a new life. Hit like, subscribe, follow along on this venture. Comment below. Give us some ideas. We're looking for your input as well, and we will absolutely answer any of your comments. We don't just ask you to comment and then ignore. We each and every one, and we'll answer. We'll comment back. So follow along, guys. Here we go. Well, as promised, it's time to start Project Radar. We're going to see if this old truck will start and run. It's been sitting here for a couple months, probably 3 months. I know it'll run because I parked it here. So it's time to get started on this. 2026 is going to be an interesting year. Let's see if this old truck will run. I'll get you in here and show you what we're dealing with. It's a flathead Chrysler 6-cylinder. Not exactly sure on the cubic inches. I'll look that up before this video's over and let you know on it. As far as I know, it's original engine to the truck. This truck is military. This is 1952 Dodge M37 military specs. I'm not sure what all was different other than the cab. I know the cab was built a lot different on them. But at any rate, we're going to run out of daylight, so let's see if we can get her to start and run. Get some fuel going on here. How long it's been since this truck had fuel in the tank, in its tank at the back. I do know it smells not good, really bad. I'm not even going to attempt it. We're going to hook it up to the boat key. Maybe if I can get this to cooperate. Get on there. Act like it's cold out here. Alright, fuel. Get some electricity. Let me show you around this old truck. We've got a few minutes. I think it'll start. Fuel pump's running. She appears to be all original. They was not built for comfort. There is a padded cushion that goes over that. It's in about the same shape as all of that. But got some unfriendly homes over there. They've been served eviction notices under protest, but when it was still warm enough for them to be around, there was plenty of them in here that got asked politely to leave. Old truck's knee deep in rubber. Too bad we're not going to use those tires. It's going to get something a little more modern. There's the cushion for that seat. Got plenty of tires, spares. Even come with an extra axle. Tailgate even acts like it might work, maybe. Don't know, haven't tried it. Look at the size of this fuel filler. The military wanted to be able to fill that up in a hurry. Whew, that fuel smells really bad. Not good. Got some road flares. 1900s, I'm sure. It's hard to tell. Don't really want to touch them. I'm afraid they might catch on fire, disintegrate. Vacuum wipers. So you can tell the interior, I think she'll clean right up. Just needs a vacuum. Maybe a replacement. So, not sure what I'm going to do with the cab on it. The rest of this body we're going to smooth her out and fix some rust and some bumps and put some paint on it. Get her modernized a little bit. It's going to get different differentials, different power, different transmission. It's going to be able to actually roll down the road at road speeds when we're done with her. And let's see if this thing will start, shall we? I'll set you guys up here. You can let me know if she starts. See if I can remember how to make this thing run. Maybe we ought to check for oil. Well, it's got some. Dark, but full. Flathead 6-cylinder, running on 6, smooth and quiet. little bit of condensation, little steam, but don't see any smoke.